This is Chris Foltz, just checking the progress on one of our new construction jobs. This is a job that our remodel and ground up division's doing, which is Evans Plumbing. So this is over on Lido, and just doing a walkthrough to see if we're ready to do set and finish. It looks like we're getting really close, but we're not quite there. This is the outdoor kitchen area, jacuzzi, and nice huge island here. So there's some work to do. Let's see, powder room. It's getting close. And this is the laundry. Got this is a little dog wash. This is set up for a double. So it's gonna be a double laundry. And then we have our laundry sink over on this side. And we got a dog wash here. Let's see. Got our tankless water heaters all completely set up, ready to be fired up. And let's run upstairs real quick. We've got, this is a 3-level. It's got, well, it's 2-story with a rooftop deck. Take a quick look at the master. Yeah, they're not quite ready for us here. Still have some tile work to do. Let's check out this third floor or rooftop deck. They got a nice view of the water over here in the corner of the deck. There, that's cool. Then we're gonna put a barbecue. I think we just have a barbecue up here and a hose bib. So we'll be back to wrap this one up in a week or two.